So what we want as a conscious parent and as a parent leading the way into a new age of higher consciousness on planet Earth, we want to raise children who are secure. So they have a very healthy, happy, and positive relationship with themselves, and they don't have emotional trauma through the big things such as neglect, abandonment, and abuse. We don't want to instill and pass on generational pain and ancestral trauma onto our kids this way. So the way we do this is we have to do what our parents didn't do to end the cycle being passed on to us, which is to reparent ourselves. That's one way of describing it, which our parents didn't do to us in the conscious, healthy way that I'm describing. So reparenting ourselves means showing up to ourselves as our own inner healed, or our inner adult, or inner healed, mature adult version, like mothering and fathering ourselves with the fathering and mothering that we didn't receive as a child. So we basically got to heal our attachment wounds, such as fearful avoidant or insecure attachment styles. We want to heal these things, these patterns and ways and habits that we had as a child, to compensate and to deal with and to cope with the love and nurture that we weren't receiving in the way that we deserved and would have loved and liked naturally, as any child would and does deserve. So when we heal our wounds, we stop passing on our wounds to our children. As the saying goes, it takes a hurt person hurts others, and it takes a victim to make a new victim. So ending the cycle is special and precious, and in this age we have this opportunity to do so with so many healers and knowledge and wisdom available. So I hope these videos help you, and feel welcome to subscribe, like, and share, and I'd love to hear from you.